If you want to boost the speaker volume of your laptop, for instance, if you are facing like speaker volume issues, like it is less and it is low, like and you want to boost, you want to increase the laptop speaker volume. So in this video I have shared best trick, or you can say like best tip to enhance the sound quality. So what you can do, you can type Windows plus R, and here in the run window you can see type the name of a program, folder, document or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. So here you can type mmsys.cpl and press enter or click on OK. So your Windows sound drivers, you can see this panel will open. Now these are your default device. Here you can see 3 NVIDIA output. Here the list will show according to your drivers, your like default devices. So here you can see like speakers. So we will double click here, and in advanced, like you can see default format, select the sample rate and bit depth to be used when running in shared mode. So here you can select like maybe up to 24-bit 48,000 in your device, it's showing. So you can select this one, like this one you can test. So everything you can test here. So whatever you like, as I prefer 24-bit 48,000, so I will select this one. And the second thing, we will go to this option, spatial sounds, or you can pronounce, select this format you want to apply. So this is for your headphones. So Windows Sonic for headphones you can select. Apply. Okay, and you can see okay and okay. So this the trick you can apply to boost the volume of your laptop speaker. So this will definitely increase the volume. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn and new things, and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again. Please subscribe to my channel also.